Welcome. In front of me is a CAT S75 and today I'll show you how we can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, we're gonna simply hold our power button. From here, when you see your boot options, you wanna hold power off. This will then change into reboot to safe mode, which you want to confirm by tapping on OK. And just wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see, now that the device is back on, we are in safe mode. On this mode, only the pre-installed applications will work. Anything that I have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled as long as you are in safe mode. So in here, you can troubleshoot your device. Once you're done with safe mode, you can basically hold the power button, select reboot or restart as it's called right here. And once the device boots back up, it will automatically go back to normal mode. Now, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.